Hello everybody. So today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about time constant. So now I will show you how to answer. In an RC series circuit, we have V equals to 12 volts, R equal to 1.4 mega ohms, and C equals to 1.8 microfarads. Calculate the time constant. So now I will show you how to answer. That's about tau equal to R multiplied by C. So in this situation, we have R that's about 1.4, and we need to transform mega into 10 to the power of 6, and then we multiply by C, that's about 1.8, and we need to transform micro into 10 to the power of negative number 6. So we combine everything in here, and we have 2.52 seconds, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.